A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So finally, President Advocate Nelson Chamisa has responded to VP Chiwenga, and in an ex-post he says, "It's game on. Do you know that the giant Goliath was defeated by David, the goat herder, and a mere shepherd? God is in it." So this is in reference to what VP Chiwenga has said, kuti Chamisa ndakwenda unobviswa wembudzi. And it's interesting kuti the response has come. We all expected to see this response coming, because these days Nero has kutamba. If you blast Nero, he's going to blast you back. And he posted a picture pari yekufudza mbudzi ine munhu ari kufudza mbudzi, and it's so interesting to Zimbabwe kuti ndo zvazviri kuita. So politics in Zimbabwe has taken a different direction, because the opposition leader is actually pressing hard to those in power. Chiwenga is threatened because he knows for sure that Nelson Chamisa is next in line, and he also wants to be next in line. He does have ambitions. So VP Chiwenga is facing three angles: the third force, Nelson Chamisa, and the Mafedi dynasty. These are the three forces he's actually facing at this moment in time. So it's becoming more interesting and more interesting as each day passes on. Let us take a look on so this was in response to this, which is on the screen. There's no place for Chamisa in our politics. This is what Chiwenga had said. So Constantino Chiwenga had described Nelson Chamisa as an immature and self-centered man who should be a good header, and this is the response. So once greetings, everybody is excited. As you can see, giants, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. While others saw a giant who could not be defeated, David saw a big target that he couldn't miss. Okay, so zidzorero rakakura ndo rairoveka nyore nyore. So team iri inini kuona kwangu angori mashoko chete, but I don't think they have anything better or positive to actually say. Okay, you say something every month, man. Okay, and you think you'll be the David and umbonovata futi urote dzimwe hope. Okay, so these are contributions right here, but I'm happy and I'm excited with it. Mutungamiriri mukuru is actually responding. That's how God works. What seems to be foolishness in the eyes of men. Okay, so mwari havatarise zvimwe zvese. Unozati inondogara chitaura nchiti madhara aya aifanira kunzwisa chinhu chakakosha chekuti it's about time chete, nguva. The day is fast approaching, and they will regret not leaving power sooner. So Zimbabwe is being held hostage by these dollars, but all I know is one day they are going to actually regret and leave power. Nothing is permanent, guys. Munhu wese anopfuura, munhu wese anofa. Even on Smith said not in 1,000 years, and where is he right now? Even on Hitler, they were so powerful zvokuti vaisabvisika. Where is he? So right now vari kutrita vanhu vari kumusha as if they don't even exist, but mwari vari kuvhura vanhu ivavo njere nepfungwa each and every day, and it will be a mess. Saka inini kuona kwandiri kuita, while they are fighting Nelson Chamisa, vane mamwe mabattles avanofanira kunge ivo pachavo vachitorwa, and they are actually failing to fight those battles, and that will be their downfall, that will be their demise. So these are the observations. Nelson Chamisa is proving to be more powerful than he was before the elections. If Nelson Chamisa is more powerful right now, more than what he was before the elections, guys, kwatiri kuenda zvinoomira musha. Watch and see.